For over half a century, Essex Industries and the Stevens Manufacturing Company have supported the major aerospace platforms worldwide with the highest quality components. With Essex acquisition of Stevens, we have expanded our range of capabilities. Founded in St. Louis, Missouri, Essex Industries began as a solutions provider in 1947 and today has grown to become a leading supplier in the aerospace and defense market with over 250,000 fielded products serving the warfighter. Since 1956, based in Milford, Connecticut, the Stevens Manufacturing Company has also served the aerospace and defense rotary wing industries by providing precision machined OEM parts and sub-assemblies. Essex and Stevens have been working in parallel during this time while becoming leaders in their markets of fixed-wing and rotary wing aircraft programs. Now together as one Essex, the two market leaders share a combined 140 years of manufacturing experience. Essex has been serving rotary aircraft for years by supplying cyclic and collective grip assemblies, pedestal assemblies, and designing some of the most complex human-machine interfaces products such as flight control and throttle grips. The combined companies are growing in the military defense product space, with several manufacturing locations that are more than 300,000 square feet and over 450 employees. With more products and enhanced capabilities to serve our customers, we are moving forward to answer the needs of the ever-demanding aerospace and defense market.